Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss what are YouTube Stories and how do I use them. YouTube Stories is a feature that allows creators to share short temporary videos with their audience. Similar to Instagram or Snapchat stories, these stories are fun ways to engage with your viewers. Stories disappear after 7 days and appear in a vertical video format on the mobile app. Key features of YouTube Stories. 1. Short and snappy. Videos can be up to 15 seconds long, making them perfect for quick updates. 2. Temporary content stories vanish after 7 days, so they feel less formal and permanent than regular videos. 3. Interaction. Viewers can comment on your stories and you can respond. You can even add stickers, text, and filters to make your stories more engaging. 4. Exclusive to mobile stories can only be created and viewed on the YouTube mobile app. Who can use YouTube Stories? Only some have access to YouTube Stories. To use them, you need to meet the following requirements. Your channel must have 10,000 or more subscribers. Your channel shouldn't have any community guideline strikes. If you qualify, you'll see the option to create stories in the YouTube app. How to use YouTube Stories. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create your own YouTube story. First, open the YouTube app. Make sure you are logged into your channel. Next, tap the camera icon. You'll find this at the top of the screen. Then, select Story from the options. Now record your story. Hold the capture button to record. You can make multiple 15-second clips to tell a longer story. After that, customize your story. Add stickers, text, music, or filters to make your story stand out. Finally, once you're happy with your story, hit post and it will be visible to your subscribers for 7 days. Tips for using YouTube Stories. Post regularly. Since stories disappear in 7 days, try to post frequently to keep your audience engaged. Also consider sharing behind-the-scenes content. Use stories to give your followers a sneak peek into your life or the making of your videos. And don't forget about Quanda sessions. Use stories to answer questions from your viewers or get feedback from them. Why use YouTube Stories? YouTube Stories are a great way to keep in touch with your audience between regular uploads. They're informal and fun, allowing you to connect with your viewers in a more personal way. Whether you're sharing a quick update, promoting a new video, or showing something behind the scenes, stories can help build a stronger bond with your subscribers. In short, YouTube Stories is a great tool for any creator looking to increase engagement and show off their personality. If you have access, give them a try.